Assalomu alaykum aziz o'quvchilar. Bugun sizlar bilan 4000 English words, ya'ni 4000 ta muhim bo'lgan ingliz tili so'zlarini keyingi unitini o'rganishni boshlaymiz. Demak, boshladik. Demak, do'stlarimiz, birinchi unitimiz alien. An alien is a creature from a different world. O'zga sayyoralik degan ma'noni bildiradi. The alien came in peace. Ya'ni o'zga sayyoralik tinchlik paytida keldi demoqchi. Ikkinchi so'zimiz among. If you are among certain things, they are all around you. Among bu nimaningdir o'rtasida bo'lish, orasida bo'lish. There was a red apple among the green ones. Yashil olmalarning orasida qizil olma bor edi. Uchinchi so'zimiz chart. A chart is a list of information. Demak, diagramma ma'nosini bildiradi. We used the chart to see how we had improved. Biz diagramma ishlatdik, qanday qilib o'zimizni o'sganimiz, rivojlanganimizni ko'rsatish uchun. Demak, to'rtinchi so'zimiz cloud. A cloud is a group of water drops in the sky. Ya'ni o'zbek tilida bulutlar, bulut ma'nosida keladi. The sky was filled with white clouds. Osmon oppoq bulutlar bilan to'lgan edi. Keyingi so'zimiz describe. To describe is to say or write what someone or something is like. Nimanidir tasvirlamoq, ifodalamoq ma'nosida keladi. They described their tree as colorful with gold ribbon and a star. Ular o'zlarining daraxtini rang-barang qilib tasvirladilar. Demak, tilla rang lenta bilan va yulduz bilan. Bu yerda demak tasvirlash ma'nosi kelib chiqyapti. Keyingi so'zimiz ever. Ever means at any time, ya'ni istalgan vaqt ma'nosida keladi. Going skiing last winter was the most fun I have ever had. Ya'ni o'tgan qishda chang'i uchishga borgan paytimiz meni hayotimdagi eng demak qiziqarli vaqt bo'ldi demoqchi. Undan keyingi so'zimiz fail. To fail means you don't succeed in what you try to do. Ya'ni omadsizlikka, muvaffaqiyatsizlikka uchramoq ma'nosini bildiradi. Since he failed to get the job, he was sad. U demak kasbidan muvaffaqiyatsizlikka uchragani uchun o'zini xafa his qildi. Keyingi so'zimiz grade. Grade is a score or mark given to someone's work. Ya'ni o'zbek tilida baho degan ma'noni bildiradi. I managed to get good grades on my report card. Men yaxshi bahoni qo'lga kiritishni uddaladim. O'zimning demak hisobot kartamdagi eng yaxshi bahoni qo'lga kiritdim demoqchi. Keyingi so'zimiz instead. Instead means in spite, in place of. Ya'ni o'zbek tilida biror narsaning o'rniga ma'nosini bildiradi. He ate the carrot instead of the ice cream. U sabzi yedi muzqaymoqning o'rniga. Keyingi so'zimiz library. A library is a place where you go to read books. Kutubxona ma'nosini bildiradi o'zbek tilida. The library at school is full of books. Kutubxona, maktabning kutubxonasi kitoblar bilan to'la degan tarjima kelib chiqadi. Keyingi so'zimiz photograph. Photograph o'zbek tilida ham demak rasm ma'nosini bildiradi. I like taking photographs. Gapni ko'ramiz. I took this photograph with my cell phone. Men bu rasmni telefonim orqali oldim. Keyingi so'zimiz planet. Planet is a large round thing in space, ya'ni koinotdagi katta dumaloq narsa, ya'ni sayyora degani o'zbek tilida planet bu planeta, sayyora. Saturn is the planet with the ring around it. Demak, Saturn bu planeta atrofida halqasi bor demoqchi. Keyingi so'zimiz report. A report is something someone writes for school or work. Hisobot ma'nosini bildiradi. Maktabga yoki ishga kimdir yozadi. Karen had trouble writing her report. Karen hisobotini yozishda muammoga duch keldi. Ya'ni muammosi paydo bo'ldi. Keyingi so'zimiz several. Several is more than two but not many. Ikkitadan ko'p, lekin juda ham ko'p bo'lmagan narsa, ya'ni bir qancha ma'nosini bildiradi. O'zbek tilida several bir qancha. He had to read several books for class. U bir necha kitoblarni o'qishga to'g'ri keldi. Keyingi so'zimiz shape. Shape, an object's shape is the arrangement of its sides and surface. Ya'ni biror narsaning shakli, shamoyili ma'nosida keladi. Even with your eyes closed, you can feel the shape of it. Hattoki ko'zlaringizni yumganingizda ham siz uning shaklini his qilasiz. Keyingi so'zimiz solve. To solve something is to find an answer to it. Ya'ni biror bir muammoni hal qilmoq, biror bir muammoni yechmoq ma'nosida keladi. All the students could easily solve the math problem. Barcha studentlar matematika muammosini osonlikcha hal qila oldilar. Keyingi so'zimiz suddenly. If something happens suddenly, it happens quickly and unexpectedly. O'zbek tilida suddenly to'satdan, kutilmaganda ma'nosini bildiradi. I was surprised when my friend suddenly shouted happy birthday. Men juda hayajonlandim qachonki meni o'rtoqlarim to'satdan baqirganlarida tug'ilgan kuning bilan deb. To'satdan baqirganida degan ma'noda kelyapti gapning ichida. Suddenly shouted. Keyingi so'zimiz suppose. To suppose is to guess. O'zbek tilida faraz qilmoq, xayol surmoq yoki taxmin qilmoq ma'nosida keladi. I suppose I should go home now. Men o'ylashimcha yoki taxmin qilishimcha hozir uyga ketishim kerak. Xo'p, keyingi so'zimiz understand. Bu 19-so'zimiz bo'ldi sizlar bilan. To understand something you need to know what it means. Ya'ni nimanidir tushunmoq ma'nosini bildiradi. Henry couldn't understand the message. Henry SMSni xabarni tushunmadi. Va 20-so'zimiz view. To view is to look at something, ya'ni nimagadir qaramoq. Michael likes to view himself in the mirror. Michael oynada o'ziga qarashni yaxshi ko'radi. Aziz do'stlar, biz sizlar bilan 20 ta so'zni birgalikda o'rganib chiqdik. Agar qo'shimcha mashqlar ustida ishlamoqchi bo'lsangiz, lug'atlardan keyin keladigan mashqlarni, crosswordlarni va readinglarni bajarishingiz mumkin.